Hello everyone, welcome back to another MX bike video, and today this is the part 2 of me doing the brands. The first bike is going to be a Husqvarna 250, the brand, obvious, of a Husky. This is the first time I played at this day with joystick, so don't mind me being so bad over here. I am going to get better. Also, I decided that I'm only gonna do free buy runs in today's video, but I mean, yeah, I just need to make it shorter because not everyone's gonna watch videos which are like 15 minutes to something like that. First thing I want to say, I don't know why, but honestly, these bikes, the 250s and the AKMX2, they're too fast. They're like 450s, but they weigh much less. Yeah, I want to check the speed later too. This bike though, the Husky, is pretty heavy, so it is not that easy to hit some jumps. Sometimes it is, sometimes it is not, but yeah, you just gotta practice a lot, and yeah, you're gonna get good at it, I bet you. I don't honestly know what to say, but let's just put a B tier. Why not? This bike deserves it. The next bike brand is the Kawasaki. We're on the Kawasaki 450 at the Tampa Supercross 2020. A really good supercross track. I love it. And I love this bike too. It's really good and it can hit some big lines over here. Not gonna lie, I think this bike is too light for a 450. I don't know why. This bike is really quick, has some really good acceleration, and surprisingly, it is extremely light for some reason. Now talking not about the bike, this is the favorite line I love to hit. I love to hit this step up, and then just hit this quad. It is really hard to get sometimes, but I make it work sometimes. Another line I absolutely love is over here. You can do a triple. It is a really hard line, but it is really good. And over here, I also love hitting the triples. Over here, bro, the triples are so good, but they are still really hard to hit. Another thing is that this bike has some insane suspension. Bro, if you get SPX on this is gonna be a perfect bike, but even without SPX, this bike is a beast. I'm not gonna lie. But I think that SPX is only for the MX OEM pack V0.19. So yeah, I don't think it really actually is supposed to be for SPX. I don't really have a lot to say about this bike. Let's just put it A tier. It's a beast, and I love it. The next bike brand is a KTM. Remember the KTM 252 stroke, and we're at the 2025 FSX Denver supercross. It is a really good track if you know how to ride the bike, because this track is not beginner friendly at all. Also, I'm just gonna rage. I'm gonna rage here off camera. I was raging here, so I made this a little short. So yeah, I just could not hold it anymore. I swear to God, bro. Sometimes this bike is too quick for a 252 stroke. I don't know why. But man, this bike is definitely a beast. One thing I can say. Also, I think this is the end of the video. I didn't have much more confidence to survive the rage I was having. So yeah, if you like this type of videos, let me know down below in the comments. Like and subscribe. Also, most people will judge me for me. This bike is overrated, but in my opinion, it does deserve an S tier. In fact, I don't know why, but this bike is just too good. It is overrated, so.